Oh, hey y'all, how y'all doing? What's up? Today is my second doctor's appointment, which is my 13-week appointment. I'm supposed to get a whole bunch of blood work done and getting the chromosome test to see if the baby have Down syndrome or not. Y'all know, well, if y'all don't know, my 13-week appointment. Of course, I have to go by myself because of the whole coronavirus thingy. So husband cannot go to no appointments, which he is very upset about because he really wants to go and like hear the baby heartbeat and see the baby on the monitor, even though they even though the doctor's office, they send us videos and stuff. Hold on, let me see if I can pop it up here. Nope. Okay, I gotta get a mount. Okay, so even though the doctor's office sends us videos of the monitor and the baby and the heartbeat and all that stuff, you can't hear it on my phone, but you can see the heartbeat and stuff, and then you can see what the heartbeat says, but you can't hear it. So, but he really wanted to be there, but he can't because of the virus. I'm all out of breath, y'all, and all I did was take out the damn trash. Like, this is ridiculous. And I have gas like crazy. I got gas, y'all. So we finna go up and drive to the doctor's office. Hopefully I could get some clips. Y'all can hear what's going on. You're not gonna be able to see because the last time I went, I asked them if I could record the monitor, and they was like, no, for security purposes, because all my information was on the computer screen, blah blah blah, as if I was gonna put that on the fucking computer screen, I mean on my phone, but whatever. So oh, one of the symptoms of being pregnant, can't breathe. Fat as shit. But yeah, let me turn on my car at least. Damn, I am 13 weeks and 5 days today. That makes me just starting my second trimester. And let me turn this AC down. Honey. I need to put some lip gloss on. It's 1:06 p.m. My appointment is at 1:30. It don't take that long to drive there. It's like a 15-minute drive. I really did wish that he could be here and go. I'm just glad he able to go to the damn delivery when it's time for delivery. But y'all, I'm about to drive to this appointment, and once I get there, I'll talk to y'all a little bit more and let y'all know what's going on. All right, so bye y'all. Okay, so y'all, I am here. I just arrived at my appointment. It is now 1:22 p.m. I think I left at 1:07 or something like that. I don't know. But we are here. I'm about to go inside. I know I'm going to have a urine sample, which I am already prepared for because I already got it right now. I got to pee. So, yeah, I know we have urine sample. We have blood work to do. We have the heartbeat to listen to on the ultrasound Doppler thingy. Don't mind my wig. I ain't had time to really finesse it, fix it. I just put it on, sprayed it on, and went about my way. So we also put our Christmas tree up today. So yeah, that was interesting. It was a nice little pop-up Christmas tree. You ain't got to do much decorating. You just pop it on a little stick. Here it is right here, the little clip of the Christmas tree. But I will also have pictures. So yeah, anyway, not about the Christmas trees. Let me see. After this, I have to go to Dollar Tree to pick up some gift wraps for the presents. And then, depending on the time, 3 to 4, I have to pick up the groceries at Walmart. I don't grocery shop no more. I just go on walmart.com and they put it in my trunk and I'm good to go. So yeah, today's gonna be a little journey today, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Because Baby Peanut says so. Let me show y'all the belly. There go the belly, y'all. It's in the seatbelt and stuff, but there go the belly, the little belly. It ain't little. Trust, it ain't little, okay? So let me go into this appointment, pee, and do what I gotta do, and then give y'all little clips here and there if I can, and we'll be back when we go to the toiletry, okay? Bye, y'all. All right, so I just signed the forms for the genetic testing. Right now, I'm waiting for my doctor to come in, so I'm going to put my phone somewhere where I can hear everything. So I don't know where that'll be, so we just gonna see how this all gonna go. Okay, so we're getting genetic testing, the NIPT test done today, and I don't know what else, so I'll keep y'all informed. Alright, so y'all, right now I am taking my urine sample test and getting my blood work done. I'm so upset. I'm gonna tell y'all in a minute why I'm upset, but I am upset. But let me go and do this urine thing and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. So I just got done with my appointment, okay? I was on my phone when the doctor knocked on the door, or the RN, whoever she was, nurse practitioner, knocked on the door, and I was like, okay, I'm about to record, let me hit the record button. So y'all, I thought I hit the record button, but I did not hit the record button. But I'm gonna tell y'all what happened in the appointment. Okay, so in the appointment, she pretty much was asking me questions. I signed a consent form for the NIPT. She told me, I did not know this, but she told me with the NIPT, not only does it test for all the chromosomal, y'all know what I'm trying to say, issues to see if the baby has any of those defects or whatever, that we also get to know the gender of the baby. So I'm like, we get to know the gender, but it's kind of early. But I get the test in a couple of days. I'm still trying to decide if I want to do a gender reveal. Y'all want to see a gender reveal? Let me know down below if y'all want to see a gender reveal. So I laid on the little table bed thing. I thought we was gonna hit a sonogram. I thought we was gonna get a sonogram or whatever. Nope, didn't get that. So she pulled out this little Doppler thing from out her pocket, her lab coat, and then she's like, "Okay, lay down. We're gonna hit a heartbeat." Okay, I was like, so no pictures? She was like, no, not this time. I was like, okay, y'all can see my gums are swelling up. My gums are so swollen. One symptom for pregnancy, swollen gums. Okay, so she goes and like, oh, can you hear the heartbeat? I'm like, no. She's like, I can hear it. It's faint, it's there, but your heartbeat is blocking the baby's heartbeat, so you can only hear a little faintness of the heartbeat. So, but she kept on moving it around, and it was making me uncomfortable because I guess the baby was moving because baby wasn't having that. So she was like, do you hear it now? I'm like, no. And then she moved it some more, and then I started to hear it. So I'm like, okay, cool. All my, anxiety and stuff was out the window because baby still in there, baby kicking, baby still breathing, all that stuff. So that was good. So then after that, she was like, okay, so do you have any questions for me? I was like, no. And then she's like, okay, see you at the next appointment. So I was like, okay. So then I go and get the blood work, and then she's like, oh, so you want to know the sex of the baby? I'm like, yeah, but I don't, but I do, but I don't. And she was like, I get it. So that was the end of the appointment. So now I'm finna do my little errands, go to Walmart, go to Dollar Tree, wrap up these presents, and eat some food, and call it a day. So that was it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed my little vlog. I'm still gonna go to Dollar Tree and stuff, so yeah, look forward to that.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
again, my brain is getting the best of me, okay? This pregnancy brain, something else. I was supposed to record when I got to Dollar Tree, right? Forgot my phone in the car. Okay, so right now I'm at Walgreens. Let me see if I can show y'all the sign over there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'm at Walmart and I'm waiting for my groceries, which they are coming right now. After that, I'm going home, eating my leftover Chinese food, filming a couple of videos. I got 3 videos, 2 videos to film. Yeah, 2 videos to film, and then I'm done for the day. So I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I want to be done with today. So that's what I'm about to do. So I love y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to tap that bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Bye.